Hi, I'm Mark Hurst, the T4 Products Manager at Canon Technologies. Today we're going to look around one of our granular modular data centres. The exterior of these units is made in 2mm galvanised steel, which is triple powder coated. It's extremely durable. Inside these panels is 100mm of rock wool thermal insulation. These modular buildings can be used from Arctic to desert conditions with no changes in the design. Okay, let's take a look inside. Loss protection grade 3 exterior door, extremely durable and vandal proof. Traditional fire exits. A large double door for access of heavy plant and equipment. The entry space or vestibule can be a man trap, knock space, or used for deployable cases or equipment. It can actually be up to 36 square meters in size, easily enough space for a knock space. We have double man trap doors on the interior, so you can have this as a first in, first out true man trap. The hot aisle space and hot aisle door acts as a second entry vestibule, a second man trap should you require it on your site. And then we have the space into the cold aisle, which has got an access control system. Corridor spaces can be any width you require to suit what equipment you need to bring in and out of the space. These are the insides of the external panel. Remember, there's 100mm of insulation between us and the outside world, and these internal skins are actually thermally isolated from those outer skins. In the baking hot deserts, the temperatures of these is still totally cool. These external panels are only secured from the inside. There are no fixings on the outer surface. Should you wish to expand your data center, you merely build the new one adjoining this, remove these panels and make a walkway space between the two data centers. Easy expansion. No other system can do this. Canon manufactures everything you see in the modular data center. We even make these floor tiles. They're the same size as the cabinet. They're extremely heavy duty, again to handle the very large loads of UPSs, batteries and things like EMC arrays.